This video teaches you how to print a document from Word. Open or create a Microsoft Word document. Click on File. It's in the menu bar at the upper left of the window. Click on Print. The Print dialog box will open. Select your printing options. Your default printer is displayed. Click on its name to select another printer from the drop-down menu. The number of copies to print. The default is 1. Increase the quantity to print more copies. Which pages to print? The default is to print all the pages in the document, but you can choose to print the currently displayed page, a highlighted selection, specific pages in the document, odd-numbered pages only, or even-numbered pages only. The size of paper to print on. The number of pages to print per sheet. Orientation of the paper. Select either Portrait, paper length vertical, width horizontal, or Landscape, paper width vertical, length horizontal. Margins. You can adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins with the labeled up and down arrows, or by typing numbers in the boxes. Click on Print. Your document will print to the printer you selected. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.